Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite and earn coupons in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Trendyol app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some products and some recommendations, maybe even some sales, for example, in this case. But from here we have to tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner, and here in the overview section at the bottom we find invite and earn. Now if we tap on this, we can invite some friends by tapping on this icon. We get a link, we send that link to our friend. For example, here we can just copy this link. We send that link to our friend, and if he or she downloads this app, then we can grab some coupons, and we can use those coupons on our purchases. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.